Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install AWS CLI and configure credentials for data pipelines, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have Python installed on your system. You can check if Python is installed by opening your command line interface and typing Python version. If Python is not installed, visit the official Python website to download. Next, install the AWS Command Line Interface using pip. Open your command line interface and enter the command pip install AWS. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, verify the installation by typing AWS version. This should return the version of AWS CLI you have just installed. Now, you need to configure your AWS credentials. To do this, type AWS configure in your command line interface. The configuration process will prompt you for your AWS access key ID. Enter your access key ID and press enter. Next, you'll be prompted for your AWS secret access key. Enter your secret access key and press enter. Then, specify the default region name you want to use. For example, input as East1 and press enter. Finally, you will be asked for the default output format. You can choose JSON, text, or table. Type your preferred format and press enter. Your AWS CLI is now configured with your credentials. To confirm that everything is set up correctly, try running a simple command like AWS S3ls. This command will list your S3 buckets if your credentials are correctly configured. If you see the list, your installation and configuration are successful. You are now ready to use AWS CLI for your data pipelines. Follow these steps anytime you need to install or configure the AWS CLI. Each step is crucial for ensuring that your data pipelines operate smoothly. Remember to keep your credentials secure and never share them publicly. With the AWS CLI installed and configured, you can now manage AWS services from your command line. Explore further commands to enhance your workflow as you delve deeper into data pipeline management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.